Do you want me to say it or?
Yeah, go ahead.
We're Electrical Engineering Team 2107, and we worked with Mitsubishi Electric Research Laboratories to design and develop a test bed for neural network development. I'm Paul Simmerling, and I'm here with
Paulo. And I'm Brendan Sayers,
and
this is our car. This is the completed car. Here we can see the various components. On the rear wheels we have, each wheel has an encoder which provides odometry. We also have an IMU mounted here which provides angular velocity and position data. On the front we have mounted a camera which uses a Raspberry Pi Mark II camera, which provides video feedback to the car. Here we have the RPI LiDAR, which is a LiDAR system which presents 100 data points in a 360-degree circle, measuring the distance between the first reflective objects. We have our computer board system composed of a Raspberry Pi 4 and an Arduino, which interfaces between the electronics and the IMU and other components. And then we have standard RC hobby equipment with a brush motor, servo, ESC, and 2 battery system. Now we're going to start up the car. We can see the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino have powered on. In a moment, the RPI LiDAR will begin. And this is the car now running functional state. And if we can then transition either to with an Xbox controller for data collection mode, or further down the line we'll have a neural network setup which will be able to drive the car autonomously.
so here we see that the car can be connected to a laptop via Wi-Fi connections. And running ROS, Robot Operating System, on both of them allows us to connect the different subsystems on the laptop with the computer. Here you can see a few examples. This is the camera, where we're able to get live feed from the car. Here we have a SLAM map from the LiDAR, and that gives us X and Y positional data for training our neural networks. And then finally on this screen right here, we can see the angle and velocity from the car's IMU and encoders, as well as the positional data. Using the Xbox controller, we're able to control the motion of the car. So if we want to turn left, we can just use the left joystick. Want to go right, we just turn it right, forward, and backwards. So here we can see an example of the car driving around in an environment and actively mapping its location. So if you see here on the right, this is the map from this land. And over here, we can see that this is in fact the basement of ITV.